$120,000 is the annual revenue you can reach by targeting mainline stoppages. An expert I interviewed in Ohio built this exact model using a specific chemical sequencing trick. He started with a total setup budget of only $3,500 to keep risks very low. Your initial capital goes into a reliable motorized drain snake and a basic sewer inspection camera. You also need a heavy-duty hand auger, protective gloves, and a set of professional cutting heads. If you want to maximize your returns, then exactly follow this operational execution plan for high profit. The core strategy relies on charging an average flat rate of $175 for a standard residential clear. Let us walk through a real scenario where you perform just 2 standard service calls every single day. That equals $350 daily, which translates to $1,750 for a simple 5-day work week. When you multiply that across 50 working weeks, you get $7,500 from basic operations alone. Now, think about that density for a moment, because those numbers do not even include emergency premium fees. The secret trick is using a 10% citric acid flush before snaking to soft and hard calcium scales. This technical method reduces your actual labor time per job from 2 hours down to just 45 minutes. Your profit margins will consistently hover around 82% because your overhead costs are minimal. To achieve this, you must have a plumbing snake, a drain camera, and toilet ogres ready in your truck. To simplify your setup, all these required tools are tagged right here in the video in one full list. You can easily have these identical high-quality products added to your cart immediately to save time. Most operators completely ignore the high-margin commercial kitchen market, which pays double the rates. A single restaurant grease trap blockage line can easily command a flat fee of $400 per hour. Your total investment payback period is incredibly short, taking less than 2 months of active work. So your first actionable step today is to register your limited liability company name locally. Then secure your basic commercial general liability insurance policy for about $60 a month. Next, build a simple localized online map listing to attract homeowners within a 10-mile radius. Operating at the scale ensures an annual net profit of at least $700,000 for your household. Consistency with this exact blueprint will establish a highly valuable service business in your city.